Submersible well pumps are a critical, often misunderstood part of a home's water system or a small-scale irrigation setup. They sit below the waterline, pushing water to the surface, and must balance flow rate, head, or lift, motor protection, and durability in challenging environments. In this review, I evaluate 5 4-inch or 3/4 inch class submersible pumps from Hallmark Industries, Vevor, and Red Lion.
List number 1. Vevor Deep Well Submersible Pump. This 4-inch, 1 HP class pump from Vevor is engineered for versatility across residential, agricultural, and light industrial applications. It features a stainless steel frame and a thermoplastic impeller assembly designed for 37 GPM at up to 207 feet of head, with a built-in 33-foot cord and IP68 waterproofing. The design emphasizes corrosion resistance and a robust motor with overheating protection, aiming to survive long service runs in demanding wells. Performance-wise, the 11.5V 60 Hz motor alignment favors standard household power supplies, reducing wiring complexity for typical homes. The 6-stage impeller configuration supports high lift without sacrificing steady flow, and the built-in check valve helps reduce backflow. A notable practical advantage is the universal 1 1/4 inch NPT discharge, but users should verify well casing compatibility. It requires at least 10 millimeters clearance in diameter. Real-world use will depend on water depth and well yield. At maximum head, flow will approach the lower end of the 30s GPM range, which is acceptable for small to medium irrigation tasks and household supply if sufficiently shallow water or storage tank is used.
List number 2. Pump. This Hallmark Industries 1 HP, 230-volt deep well pump emphasizes a heavy-duty stainless steel body with a 1 HP capacitor start motor and thermal protection. It is designed for long life with a 207-foot head capability and a 33 GPM flow delivered without the need for an external control box thanks to a built-in start circuit. The unit targets users with a 230-volt power supply and demands careful matching to ensure proper phase and wiring. Performance-wise, the 230-volt 2-wire implementation simplifies installation where a local control box is not desired, while maintaining robust starting torque. The vertical form factor and stainless shell support longevity in harsher wells with particulate load. Practical considerations include ensuring your well or source can sustain continuous operation at 207 feet head, and verifying that a 230-volt supply is readily available. This pump is well suited for consistent, moderate flow irrigation and domestic water supply where power is stable, but its performance is voltage dependent and cannot be mixed with 115-volt circuits.
List number 3. Hallmark Industries MA0459X 14A Deep Well Pump. The MA0459X 14A is Hallmark's 3-inch variant that packs 14-stage impellers into a compact 3-inch casing rated at 0.75 HP with a maximum head of 270 feet and a practical flow of up to 13 GPM. The pump is stainless steel throughout, including the shell and motor shaft, and includes a 10-foot power cord with a built-in capacitor start, thermal protection, and a built-in check valve and valve-friendly 1-inch NPT discharge. This design targets wells where a smaller diameter is required, but head and reliability cannot be sacrificed. Performance-wise, the 14-stage design provides a strong lift capability for deeper wells with moderate flow. The compact 3-inch size allows installation in tighter casings while still supporting high head, which is beneficial for remote water supply or pressurized storage setups. The integrated components, including a UL-certified motor and hermetically sealed design, contribute to longevity and reduced maintenance in challenging environments. Note that the 13 GPM figure should be interpreted as a maximum optimistic value. Actual flow will depend on depth and pressure tank.
List number 4. Red Lion RL12G05-3W2V 4-inch submersible deep well pump with control box 1/2 HP.
Redline's RL12G053W2V is a 4-inch submersible well pump with a built-in control box rated at 1/2 HP and 12 GPM, designed for 230 volts operation. It uses a steel housing with a thermoplastic discharge path and includes a built-in check valve and suction screen, along with a UL-listed control box for indoor-outdoor use. The unit is positioned as a ready-to-wire package that minimizes external hardware and simplifies installation for standard residential wells and small irrigation setups. Performance-wise, the 12 GPM rating at 30 psi and a 212-foot shutoff head indicates solid capability for small to medium water demands, including household supply and modest irrigation. The included control box helps regulate startup and protects the motor, reducing the risk of overheating with frequent cycling. The 3-wire configuration means a dedicated circuit with proper grounding, and the stainless steel thermoplastic blend offers decent durability. Real users should note the 4-inch footprint and ensure well casing diameter accommodates the 3.9-inch outer diameter.
List number 5. Hallmark Industries MA0414X7 Deep Well Submersible Pump. The MA0414X7 is Hallmark's 4-inch, 1 HP, 110-volt model with a 33 GPM max flow and 207 feet head. It features a stainless steel shell and a 2-wire design with a built-in control box, offering a compact yet capable option for typical residential wells and irrigation tasks. The pump aligns with standard 110-volt power, making it accessible for most households while delivering reliable performance with built-in thermal protection. Performance-wise, this pump targets a balance between flow and head, suitable for homes with moderate water demands and wells that require a steady, moderate flow. The built-in control box and 1 1/4-inch discharge provide straightforward integration with pressure tanks or storage solutions. While the 207 feet maximum head supports deep wells, actual performance will depend on water availability and lift. The stainless steel construction aids longevity in typical well environments, though users should consider the additional protection against sediment and debris via maintenance checks.